Hi everyone, it's Cray Cray. I'm just here on Canada, on the west coast of Canada, down by Seattle. Just on the border between Canada and the United States. Just gonna go for a little walk with you. See what I can see. Hi. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day in Canada on the west coast. Got the boats out. It's pretty warm out here. It's like 16 degrees. We got these are our crosswalks, and this is a crosswalk in Canada. All different colors. You see how it's all different colors. Just taking you for a little walk, just a little stroll. You're seeing what I'm seeing. It's pretty cool, eh? Oh, these Ray-Ban glasses just make you like, it's like you're walking beside me almost. Just seeing what I'm seeing here. It's pretty cool. Another crosswalk.